This is the 50-piece rose gold hooks and ivory 50-piece premium. So let's open that up. Hey, what's poppin' YouTube? It's your girl Glamour Queen Ryo, and I'm back at it again with another video. Today's video is going to be a video of me unboxing my velvet hangers that I got off of ClosetComplete.com. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. So if you would like to see this video, go ahead and keep watching. Also, be sure to check the description box down below for the link to the website and to which hangers that I got. So now for the unboxing. You know, this box was previously opened because I had to get a sneak peek of what's going on in this package and how it looks before I really open it. But here is the letter of my order description. So I got the 50-piece ivory hangers with the rose gold hooks. Those are just the regular hangers. And then I got a 10-piece ivory hanger with gold hooks. Those are the ones that come with the clips. So like you can like hang your jeans and you know other items like that. So let's unbox it, let's unwrap it, let's unpackage it. So, this is how it comes. Don't mind my nails, I need to get them done. This is 5 velvet hangers with clips. You know, you can go on the website and you can basically choose what color hanger you want. And you can choose what color hooks and what color clips you want. So the ones that I wanted the ivory colored hanger with the rose gold hooks. You can get black hangers with silver hooks, black hangers with gold hooks. You could get a pink hanger with gold hooks or rose gold hooks. Like any way you want it, they most likely have it unless they're sold out. So these are how those hangers look. So I have 2 5-piece, which equals 10. Then I got this. This is the 50-piece rose gold hooks and ivory 50-piece premium. So let's open that up. I didn't open this box yet, but it's pretty much gonna be the same as the one with the clips. I should have gotten a scissors to open this box, just in case I want to reuse it. And this is how it comes. Oh, they gave me a little card here that says, "Thank you for your purchase. Customer satisfaction is very important to us. If you feel that you have a problem with your order, please contact us so we can solve any matters and questions. We want you to be 100% satisfied with your purchase. If you are, please leave us a 5-star rating. It will help us to continue providing you with great products at low prices." Closet Complete. So Closet Complete is where I got these velvet hangers from. They're so cute. I got some velvet hangers already, but they're black. I'm gonna show you guys. So I'll be right back. So basically, like I have like a bunch of these black velvet hangers with silver hooks, but I didn't get these ones from Closet Complete. I got these when I went to California, when I went to Los Angeles in October. So yeah, but they're cool. I would order from Closet Complete again because these are so cute. I love velvet hangers, and I'm remodeling my closet, So I have to get all of these hangers, but I need to make sure that they're all the same color and not like black one and a pink one and then, you know what I'm saying. So I'm gonna order more of these ivory with rose gold hooks. And also I would like to order a shoe shelf because, you know, I have lots of shoes, I have lots of heels, and I just want my walk-in closet to look like, you know, cute and nice and remodeled. So that's why I got these velvet hangers to hang up my clothes, my dress, my jeans, you know, all that good stuff. And I also want the shelves to put my shoes on. So be sure to check the description box down below for all of the information to this website and the items that I got from this website. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.